Do you want the best AeroPress recipe for our coffees? Well, my name's Hany. I do sales and national guest roaster for On a Coffee, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. Let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is grab your AeroPress. You're going to pull it all the way out. Push it back in until the bottom of that number 4. Next thing you're going to do is grab your AeroPress filter and pre-wet it. After you've let the water drain through, I want you to use your finger to press out any air bubbles, especially around the side. What this is going to do is prevent any channels from happening to your brew. So I've decided to pick the Kenya Gura PB from this month's rotation. I have a really nice soft spot for washed Kenyans. And this coffee in particular has this beautiful blackcurrant note. Today I'm using a Comandante set at 28 clicks. If you need a reference for an EK, it's 14. If you're using a Varia, it's about 20. We need to set our water temperature on our kettle. I like to look at our brew guides on the QR code on the back of the bag. And typically, I'll go to the lower temperature range that we offer. So for this Kenya, it says 90 to 92 degrees. So we're gonna sit at 90 today. Once our water's all heated up and ready to go, let's load up our AeroPress. After we've added our 20 grams of coffee, I want you to apply 200 grams of water. This is a 1:10 ratio, and I like to apply that water directly in the middle and as quickly as possible. I'm gonna grab my spoon. I'm gonna stir him 10 times. In any direction that feels good for you. I'm gonna grab that pre-wetted cap once you've done stirring, chuck the lid on. And then we're gonna wait until the 2-minute mark. This will be funny, just me stretching. All right, we're at the 2-minute mark. I'm gonna grab my cup and place it over the top here, and we're gonna flip. What I'm gonna aim to do now is press for about 20 to 30 seconds. Placing my ear close to the AeroPress to listen for the hisses. Ah, so good. A few taps. For a little bit of extra flexibility, I like to add a bypass. If you like your coffees full body and punchy, I wouldn't recommend doing this. However, if you prefer more balance and clarity of acidity, I'd be adding 30 grams of water. Anywhere between 20 to 50 grams is a really safe space. Cheers. Bloody delicious.